Imagine waking up and your bank account has grown without you lifting a finger that morning. That's not magic. That's passive income. Hey everyone, and welcome back to House of Resilient. In today's video, I'll show you how to build streams of income that work for you so you can move closer to financial independence. Let's explore how to build freedom, not just wealth. Passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort once the initial work or investment is done. But here's the truth. Passive income is never 100% hands-off. There's always a front-end cost, either in time, money, or skills. But once set up, it can give you freedom, margin, and momentum toward financial independence. Think of it as planting seeds. You water them early. They feed you for years. Most passive income falls into three buckets: investment-based income, digital assets, and business systems. Investment-based income includes dividends from stocks or ETFs, interest from bonds, real estate rental cash flow, and REITs. Your money is doing the heavy lifting. Digital assets encompass ebooks, online courses, YouTube ad revenue, licensing photography, music, or art, and apps or software. You build once, sell forever. Business systems cover affiliate marketing blogs, print-on-demand stores, automated dropshipping, vending machines, or laundromats. You own the system, not the job. These three types of passive income, investing, digital products, and systems, form a powerful triangle for financial independence. Here's what people get wrong. Passive income isn't about laziness, it's about front-loading effort. To build passive income, you need at least one of three resources: time, capital, or expertise. Your path will depend on your strengths. But don't wait to have all three. Start with what you've got. Let's look at a few real-life examples of passive income in action. First, index fund dividends. If you invest $100,000 in a total stock market fund yielding 2%, that's $2,000 a year, or about $167 a month. Passive, simple, effective. Next, rental property. Buy a duplex, rent both units. After mortgage and maintenance, you net $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year while building equity. Third, writing an ebook. Spend 3 months writing and marketing a guide on freelancing. It earns $200 to $500 a month consistently. Finally, a YouTube channel or podcast. Record videos weekly for 1 year. After building an audience, you earn income from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links, all evergreen. Each of these starts slow, but over time, the income snowballs, especially if you stack multiple streams. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights from House of Resilient. What passive income stream are you most excited to start? Let us know in the comments below.